Okay, so here we have a Tesla mobile service Model S. My understanding is they come from the CPO fleet and then they get upfitted. What's amazing is they get upfitted around the corner from where I live. And it doesn't have the badge to say what it is. But you can see they've got everything they need. They've got their tent and all their tools. They're on trays and they slide out, which is awesome. So they've removed the back seat in order to fit all of this. It's got its jack, everything. This is phenomenal. I wonder if they're also factory rejects. This one's got the all-glass roof, but it has tires or wheels that I don't think were ever available on. Oh, sorry about my finger this whole time. This is a new camera to me. It's got wheels that were not available on a car that came with all-glass roof. Wait a minute, that might not be glass. That might be a painted black roof. Yeah, it is. Okay, yeah. Because I was noticing if it had all-glass roof, it would have Autopilot 2.0. And as you can see, it's got a solid roof. Look at that. It's got its cage, safety cage, just like they have in the van. Nifty. So, there you have it. Tesla mobile service vehicle. I imagine the front has probably got some stuff in it too. Look at that. So yeah, it does look like they use the CPOs for sure, because no autopilot. It does have front parking sensors. They have been wrapped over in white. Interesting. And no camera. Well, no front camera anyway. It's pretty cool. But we got to hit the road, so we will catch you on the flip side.